That's freshly loosened the coating on the wheel since they've just removed the clamp. It has caused damage to the bottom of the wheel. I've just shown your
Yeah, but you didn't
colleague.
move the car when I was putting the clamp on.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I started it. I was going to. I didn't realise you were down there. You was hiding behind it. Don't try that. You've damaged the wheel.
Fair enough, the clamp's damaged it, but you rolled it back.
No, I
You nearly
didn't.
ran my arm over.
No, I didn't.
Of course, that ambulance nearly ran my leg over.
No, I didn't. Well, that's your fault. That's the cause of the job. If you're in the road messing about putting wheel clamps on, I can't be held responsible for that, can I? Don't take it personally. It's nothing personal. But as far as I'm concerned, that you've damaged the clamp. I've just showed your colleague where it's freshly loose and flaking off. I've had those, and I can prove it. I've had those wheels stove enamelled not long ago.
That's fair enough. You just have to claim off the insurance, don't you?
What insurance?
Off the DVLA. Yes.
Off what?
Off his.
Oh, off your insurance.
Yeah.
Well, I need paying now for the damage to that wheel.
We don't carry
You know, like you needed paying straight away for the clamp to be removed. I need the same gesture in return for repairing that wheel.
No, we don't give that to someone.
Sorry?
You have to do it through insurance.
So who do I contact? Do you want to go and take a photograph of the damaged wheel now? So you can you've got a comparative to the photograph that you took before you put the clamp on. Did you take a photograph before you put the clamp on to cover yourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to take one now then, with the wheel, with the damage. I haven't touched it. I can't access behind that clamp while the clamp's on. Have you got a before and after of the damaged area?
This is the ones after. The ones before have been sent across.
Right. Okay. So do you want to take a photograph of the damaged area
You've got it here.
and send that across?
You've got it
Well, you need to do a bit more close up than that, because you can't really see that on that picture being so far away. So I'm requesting that you go and take a closer photograph of the damaged area.
Yeah, just get that across.
Okay. Can you see that that's damage that wasn't there before? Sorry?
Yeah.
Sorry, just say it a bit louder so I can hear you on here. You're happy then that,
I'm fine with this photograph, yeah.
and you can see that there's a damaged area that wasn't damaged before.
I'm not saying no, that's incriminating because you're recording me. You shouldn't be recording me.
I'm not hiding the fact that I'm recording you. I'm quite openly recording you just to cover my back. It's nothing personal to you as an individual. I'm recording you to cover my back, that's all.
As far as I'm concerned, my job is done, so.
Yeah, well, I'm not being funny with you, am I?
No.
I just need sufficient evidence, as you guys need sufficient evidence. Okay, so you'll forward those pictures then, will you, to them now? And
Pictures will be sent on the phone.
sorry.
The pictures will be sent on the phone for the declamp. All the pictures will be sent.
All the pictures will be sent. So have you got some kind of log or paperwork or something?
The logs here for the declamp.
So are you going to log that the damage has been caused?
The photos have been sent over. Photos have
But well, we need to make some kind of official log that there's been damage caused to the wheel. When you put the clamp on, so you know whether there's damage there before or not. Your colleague has just watched it flake off, as I touched it very lightly with my finger. Didn't you? You watched it flake off, love.
Yeah, I don't know if it was there before.
You watched me pick the loose bit up off the floor.
Yeah, I'm saying I don't know whether it was like that before when it was coming.
Well, you've taken a photograph before, haven't you?
No, I didn't. No.
Well, you between you have, as a team, you've taken a photograph beforehand.
Well, I can't stop here any longer. We've got work to do. As far as I'm concerned, we've done our bit. We took the clamp off. You've reported the damage to us. We've took photographs, sent them over, and that's all we can do.
Well, I need something in paper. I need something in writing.
You'll have to ring that number up.
No, I know that's not adequate, love. I need something in writing
We can't give you
for,
anything
for,
writing.
for my end
Just ring that number up,
for me to register my complaint with you that you've caused damage to my wheel.
We can't give you no writing.
Well, surely you must be equipped for this kind of scenario. There must be scenarios where you cause damage to people's wheels putting clamps on and off all day every day.
No, we don't come equipped with that sort of stuff. So, yeah, as far as I'm concerned,
So you don't come equipped. So you're putting clamps onto people's vehicles,
no, you put
and you don't. No, I'm just reiterating what you're saying. But you don't come equipped with a form to report that damage.
I'm on my way.
So you're not prepared to provide me with any form to report that damage. Is that what you're saying? This is the DVLA taking a wheel clamp off my car. They've caused damage to the vehicle, my vehicle, and they're not prepared to fill any kind of paperwork in to take receipt of the damage that they've caused. So I've got no evidence, and off he goes to rip off another poor, unsuspecting motorist.
You beat my people. What mean you that you beat my people and grind the faces of the poor?